And let me do one thing in interest of time. Let me quickly do the conclusion at this point, and I think I have a lot of key takeaways which we all can take. So I'll quickly cover that. And firstly, wonderful discussion, Subbu, and I think there was some great participation and interaction also today. So thanks everyone
Absolutely.
for that. And like we discussed, we'll take it one by one. Of course, when we talk today, why data protection is no more a question, especially in terms of the advent of this so-called new normal. There has been a change in mindset of the organization towards data security in terms of the kind of the fun image that Subbu showed. So yeah, that's so true. Totally agreed with it. Equally, that data protection is just not a technology problem. The approach to same will be looking at the pieces of the puzzle, which is DPPT, the data people process technology, which Subbu also covered in detail in terms of the approach to data flow analysis of what, who, where, how, kind of techniques to find the answer. So I think that was also something very critical. And the simplified approach and steps to data protection would be in terms of understanding the data, governing it, and protecting the data. And thanks so much also for covering the data leak channel based kind of technology discussions for DLP, MDM, CASB, rights management. And I also loved the analogies you have used for shopping malls and the visitor management. And of course, totally agreed that the need of the hour when we also talk about data protection, of course, is DPPT, but we also need to have the integration and simplification automation, something like a orchestration layer for the or in the data protection. And let's not forget, of course, data protection is definitely a constant journey and not just one time destination. So make it a habit and use the secret sauce DPPT. At this point, I think we also had a lot of interactive discussion today, interesting discussions on data labeling related to privacy concerns, audit, DLP, data discovery, OCR discussions. And I need to thank Vijaya, Sanjeev, Aditya, Prakash, Rahul, and Amit, who have done these discussions. And of course, security and the commitment that comes with it applies to all, and of course, make it as a culture. So I think with this, thank you everyone once again for joining us today, and we will again catch up within a month with equally interesting topic. And once again, Subbu, thanks so much for these
Yeah,
wonderful insights. We really had so many takeaways, and you made this format also very interactive. So great, thanks so much, Subbu. Yeah, I think you wanted to.
yeah. I was thanking Mr. Subramaniam. Thank you very much for this
Thank you. Thank
insight
you.
and detailed information. All the participants, you have left due to time constraint, so, but I guess we are able to make it. Thank you, everyone. So, Hers, we
Thank you,
can conclude
everyone.
this.
Thank you, Subbu. It was nice talking to you.
Thank you. Thank you for making this very interactive. Thank you so much.